Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, hi. Well, hello. I made it back just in time for the snow. The first real snowstorm, I guess you could say, of the season for my area. And I made it in just in time. So, guess what? Check out all this snow. I'm happy. It's beautiful, right? Well, you got a shovel. So anyway, I'm gonna just do this quick video, show you what's going on, and then get this shovel my garden out, right? Gotta shovel my garden out. And the season started, I'm so way behind. I haven't started nothing because I haven't been here. Well, no, I started a few, then I left. I haven't been here. But now I'm back, baby. Let's start this garden season with snow. All right. I might make sure I'm not on Zoom. Oh, I had it on Zoom. Okay, see, I don't know why I keep always go to Zoom. Anyway, just a quick look at my garden. Everything is snowed over. Everything. And look at my garlic. And my garlic, I still have the covering I put on it when we had a frost way back, and I never took it off. Hopefully it's good. But this is not a, this is just to show you what's going on with the snow and stuff. First one of the season for my area. You know, they missed us right and left, but we're on the 95 corridor, so we missed a lot of weather this year. But they said we finally got slapped with it. First time in 2 years. I'm not complaining. I just want to get this garden season started. And like I said, the groundhog didn't see a shadow, so I guess that means spring is coming early. This is beautiful. Look at these things, man. This is beautiful. So anyway, I'm going to start posting my videos. Let me go back so I can do this right. Okay, anyway, I'm going to stop posting my videos. I haven't done that in a while because I've been around. And I didn't feel like doing it. And then I can't respond to the comments, which is, you know, to me, I feel like if somebody have the, you know, is nice enough to watch my video and make a comment, at least I should have the decency enough to respond to that comment. I have not been doing that because I've been so busy and I get behind. And let's move on to the next project. So I decide not to I normally upload a lot of my videos in advance and leave them there. And you know, they come when the time comes. But I decided not to upload any video while I was gone because it's, you know, it's not right when somebody comment or made, you know, and I can't respond to it. You know, not everybody, believe it or not, there's places that some Wi-Fi is spotty, okay, at best. But anyway, thank you for your support. It's February, it's a snowstorm, first one New York had, whatever that is. 13, I think, or tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. When you see this, might be tomorrow, so it might be Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. But anyway, yeah, I haven't posted a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch up, try to catch one of those back comments, and start working posting videos. The season, I hope, begins. I am so excited. Anyway, thanks for your support, and I see you next video, yours or mine. Take care. Happy Valentine. Hello, happy. It is beautiful out here. Wow. Take care. Look how beautiful that is, and the wind is just going with it. Look at that. That is beautiful. have snow. Check that out. Wow.